Hello viewers, welcome to 24 hours math class. Someone asked me how to find the value of x squared is equals to 4x. So if such question has been given to you, first of all, what you do is set this equation to 0 first. Example, x squared minus 4x is equals to 0. So next step to do here is factorize x outside. X bracket x, because x here is squared, right? X times x is x squared minus 4, which is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 or x is equals to negative 4. From here, either x is equals to 4, if you dig negative, it crosses this equality sign. X is equals to 4 or x is equals to 0. Check. Let me check and see whether our solution is correct. So to check this equation, we have to substitute the value of x equals to 4 from the original equation. The original equation is x squared is equals to 4x. So the value of our x here is 4. So substitute it from the original equation. So 4 squared is equals to 4 bracket 4, which is 4 squared is 16, which is equals to 4 times 4 is 16, which is true. So this is how to solve this particular problem. If you are bye bye, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tips like this.